Think your dryer vent is safe from wildlife? In Seattle, birds have other plans. In Seattle's damp, mild climate, birds are always on the lookout for warm, dry places to nest, like your dryer vent. Without a proper vent cover, your exterior exhaust becomes the perfect bird hotel, cozy, rainproof, and heated by leftover dryer warmth. But here's the problem. Nests made from twigs and lint can clog the vent, trapping heat and blocking airflow. That can mean fire danger, carbon monoxide buildup, smelly mold, and a dryer that works overtime. Trying to remove a nest yourself can push debris deeper and damage your vent. That's why StarDucts uses professional tools to safely clear everything out, check your entire system, and help you install the right vent cover. Protect your home. Schedule a yearly dryer vent cleaning with StarDucts. Stay safe, save energy, and keep those birds where they belong, outside.